Forest City, Malaysia, the city that does not exist. Strait of Johor. Approach. Built on reclaimed land in 2014, Forest City promised a new Singapore for 700,000 residents. Island coastline. First light. Malaysian coastline transformed into artificial islands, sold as eco-paradise to Chinese buyers. Main boulevard. Aerial overview. 6-lane boulevards built for phantom traffic in Country Garden's $100 billion ghost project. Residential towers cluster. A 40-story luxury towers stand 95% empty after Malaysia restricted foreign property ownership. Fountain Plaza. Central Square. Ornate fountains run daily for almost no one in this abandoned utopian city experiment. Shopping mall. Exterior. Golden Coast Mall, designed for thousands of shoppers, now serves a handful of residents. Marina/waterfront promenade. Marina built for 500 yachts stands empty as Chinese investors abandon the dream city. Golf course. Abandoned greens. Championship golf course lies abandoned after Malaysia cancelled Forest City tax incentives. Parking structure. Levels 1 to 6 six-level parking garage built for 10,000 cars stands empty in world's largest ghost city. Construction zone. Island 2. Construction halted in 2018 when Malaysia restricted foreign buyers, freezing the project. Showroom building. Sales center. Sales center displays miniature utopia with tiny happy families that never came to live here. Reclaimed land edge. Seawall. 4 artificial islands built on destroyed mangrove forests, reclaiming land from the sea. Hotel block. Country Garden. Hotel remains partially occupied, serving construction workers and few tourists. Vertical garden facade. Close-up vertical gardens designed to create forest in the sky now grow wild without maintenance. Island overview. High altitude. From above, Forest City looks like an architectural model, not a living city for humans. Main entrance gate. Checkpoint. Grand entrance gate welcomed 50,000 visitors during sales peak, now sees only security guards. Children's playground. Zone. Playgrounds built for future generations stand silent, never hearing children's laughter. Water park. Splash World Water Park, designed for 5,000 daily visitors, closed before ever opening to the public. Pedestrian bridge. Connecting islands. Elegant pedestrian bridges connect empty islands in this failed Chinese real estate dream. Residential lobby. Tower D. Marble lobbies designed for hundreds of residents now serve a single concierge and emptiness. Staircase to nowhere. Beach section. Famous, Staircase to Nowhere symbolizes Forest City's incomplete and abandoned ambitions. Rooftop pool. Tower. F penthouse level. Infinity pools overlook Singapore skyline, built for wealthy elite who never arrived. Road intersection. Dead center. Traffic lights cycle endlessly for no cars in this $100 billion ghost city infrastructure. Mangrove remnants. Island edge. Destroyed mangrove ecosystems, sacrificed for luxury development that attracted almost no buyers. Shopping mall interior atrium. 4-story shopping atrium designed for 20,000 daily visitors now serves fewer than 100. Singapore. Skyline distant view. Forest City sits 15 kilometers from thriving Singapore, a stark contrast of success and failure. Underground car park entrance. Underground parking for 50,000 cars stands empty, fluorescent lights flickering for no one. Landscaped garden. Central Park. Tropical gardens maintained daily by invisible workers for a city with almost no residents. Tower windows. Face. Scan out of 30,000 completed apartments, fewer than 1,000 are occupied by actual residents. Reclamation barge, offshore land. Reclamation stopped in 2018 after Malaysian government withdrew Forest City support. School building. Uncompleted international school built, but never opened. Classrooms ready for students who never came. Chinese signage, cultural artifact. Chinese signage everywhere reveals Forest City was built for buyers who never arrived. Electricity substation, infrastructure. Power infrastructure for 700,000 people now supplies fewer than 10,000 actual residents. Johor Bahru City, visible. Johor Bahru contrasts with empty Forest City, separated by narrow water channel. Beach chairs, resort area. Resort beaches prepared daily for tourists who never come to this abandoned paradise. Between towers, urban canyon. Massive towers create urban canyons designed for bustling street life, now silent corridors. Security booth. Abandoned gate. Security infrastructure remains operational, guarding a city that never filled with residents. Trophy tower. Tallest building apex. Tallest towers were meant to rival Singapore skyline, now stand dark and mostly empty. Water treatment. Water treatment facility processes capacity for 700,000, serves fewer than 10,000 residents. Midday sun. Heat, shimmer overview. Tropical heat shimmers over empty streets in one of Asia's most expensive ghost cities. Sunset, Western Shore. Sunsets illuminate Forest City's beauty, making its abandonment even more heartbreaking. Street lamps activating. Dusk, 10,000 street lamps activate nightly, illuminating empty roads in automated ritual for no one. Night, skyline. Tower lights. Only 5% of apartment windows glow at night in this city built for 750,000. Reflection pool. Night mirror. Reflection pools mirror empty towers, creating Phantom City more populated than reality. Lone security. Vehicle. Night patrol. Single security vehicle patrols 14 square kilometers of empty streets throughout the night. Rooftop helipad. Tower, a summit. Helipads built for wealthy elite remain unused, overlooking most expensive ghost city on Earth. Monsoon rain. Streets flooding. Monsoon rains flood empty streets, the city enduring tropical storms without human witness. Mosque. Community facility. Small mosque serves mostly construction workers and maintenance staff, not intended residents. Graffiti. Resistance marks. Construction workers' graffiti marks the only human record in city they built but can't afford. Cats. Colony. At night, stray cat colonies are Forest City's most successful residents, thriving in empty streets. Bird's nest. Tower facade. Swiftlet birds colonize towers more successfully than humans in this abandoned architecture. CCTV camera array surveillance. Thousands of surveillance cameras watch empty streets, recording nothing happening daily. Special financial zone signage. New Hope, New 2020s. Development attempts to revive Forest City as special financial zone for investors. Single lit apartment. Night. Each lit window represents one of fewer than 1,000 families living among 30,000 apartments. Underground river channel. Massive drainage system built for 700,000 residents now manages runoff for nearly empty city. Dawn again. Full circle. Every dawn reveals the same empty streets, the city unchanged, waiting for residents forever. Abandoned real estate office. Sales offices closed in 2018 after Chinese buyers abandoned project following policy changes. Cargo ship passing. Strait global trade flows past Forest City daily through one of world's busiest shipping lanes. Time-lapse compressed. Tower shadow. Shadows move across empty plazas, marking time's passage in city where nothing else moves. Final retreat. Ocean departure. Forest City remains suspended between ambition and failure, a $100 billion monument to hubris.